Hey guys, welcome at my YouTube channel. It's a German channel. Another video about the benzobratic torch. I've been at the claim desk and the lady showed me how to work. So thanks to Hardware Hawaii, like that. And this is too much. So just reduce. It was too less. It's a bit difficult, another customer said. So look at this beautiful flame now. It works. Yeah. It's a very sensitive adjustment necessary here at the manual regulated valve, and also the first amount of highest pressure from completely filled container is gone, so it's easier. I try it one again. And important too is to put something on the other side. That was the trick the lady used. Okay, I try again. Open, very sensitive, just some degrees. And another customer stated too. He said it's an excellent tool, but it's a bit tricky to adjust, yeah, to ignite. So once again, you need no extra lighter, like I told in the video before. It works with a normal cigarette lighter, but it depends on some degrees more or less. Yeah. A beautiful flame. Love it. And please care for safety standards. I used on a bit cloudy morning at Hawaii, yeah, to show the beautiful flame. In the daylight, you maybe don't see the flame. Yeah, I produced. When I said to the lady, "Let me try myself, please," she went close to the wall, so it works, and I produced a little black spot at the wall because I didn't saw the flame. So take care, protect your eyes, protect your skin, and have a nice day.